Yes, can you?
Hayi ndiyabazi ke ngoku. Ndiyabazi ke ngoku.
Goduka, Chidima, Goduka. Goduka. Go home. Nigeria is your home.
Yo, hayi ndibazi bonke aba.
Nigeria is your home.
Identity thief, we won't accept you in South Africa.
Go
Think about
home.
those identities you stole.
You're Chris, my friend.
Hamba goduka.
Usamle thwa usamle qatha yethu. Yo, hayi kunzima.
South Africans, you know, when I look at this Chidima saga, while most of you choose to get all worked up, angry, allowing your blood to boil and frustrated about this matter, I choose to look at it from a different angle. Not me, but researched articles, Nigerian researched articles have confirmed that 60 million Nigerians are mentally unstable. So you should understand there are things that are not normal to us that would be normal to them. There are people that are busy roaming around our streets instead of being admitted in psychiatric wards. So there are things that are not normal to us that would be normal to them. There are things that to us are crime, to them is hustling. It's like the term criminality or crime no longer exists in their book. They've replaced that with hustling. What we regard as criminality, to them, that is hard work. So there are certain things that when you look at, you should understand that here, you are not dealing with normal people. You are actually dealing with people that are mentally unstable. There is no ordinary person who will do the things that this girl does. The way she's forcing herself into South Africans, the way she's forcing herself into South Africa, how she easily changes tune. It's like she even forgot the fact that there's an element of criminality in what they did, because there's also a case of stolen identity in this, but they decided to put that aside. So what actually makes me worried, and I'm not saying by me saying you guys are frustrated or angry, and I'm not saying you guys need to keep quiet. We want you guys to continue making that noise, because we cannot allow for them to win this case, because you can only imagine the floods that would come through our country. So we cannot allow that. So we encourage you guys to continue talking. I mean, I watched that video where she was coming out of court and there were people there, South Africans, that were yelling at her and telling her that she needs to leave the country. And she's very much unbothered. But the reality of things is that we may not be dealing with sane people here. So I come to tell you that while we are busy doing all this, we are busy fighting, we also need to look after our own health. Because what's currently happening here is not normal. So what makes me worry about this whole matter is to get information that the person who's representing her, the person who represented the mother as well, because the mother also has a criminal case regarding the theft of identity and all that. So while the very same person is said to be the independent advisor of our Home Affairs, and it is very worrisome, because by virtue of her doing what she's doing, there's a big possibility that she probably might have seen certain loopholes, because it looks like she's an independent advisor to our Home Affairs and in this immigration, I think, unit or department. So that is very worrisome. So we are here to say, let a call grow for this person to be removed from our Home Affairs, especially with the fact that she's actually representing illegal foreigners, because in this case, she's illegal. For her to really want to force herself into South Africans the way that she does, it's something else. So I only came to tell you that in as much as we're busy fighting, these people are not ordinary people. Even where they're coming from, they are no ordinary people in nature. They are chaotic in nature. They are loud in nature. Even you come across them and you are just passing. The way they are yelling while talking to each other, you'd even wonder can they even hear each other? Why aren't they giving each other time to speak? But for some odd reason, they can actually understand one another. That is them. So what I wanted to bring out here is that there are researched articles that have stated that these people, 60 million is a lot, are not mentally stable. They are mentally ill. No wonder they do the things that they do. To us, human trafficking, drug trafficking, scamming, fraud, to us that is crime, that is criminality. To them, that is hard work. To them, that is hustling. They don't see anything wrong. Like I said, it's like the term crime no longer exists in their book. They've actually replaced it with hustling. So yeah, continue fighting. We need to have these people removed from our offices as well because they cannot be.
Abantu say hayi hlalani phansi yothu akho country ivele into ndutso etyholweni ngathi le yethu. Hey sivelile man, especially kwezi African countries sivelile abantu se and iyacapukisa. Namelani kwento yenzeka. Niyakhumbula apha ndinokubana komnye unyaka ngo-2024 mandingathi komnye unyaka ngo-2024 sibukela uMiss SA ke apha ezithivini zethu kwathini before sibukela noMiss SA sibona abantu abangenelayo andithi baya kufuneke andiyazi kufuneka kuthweni kuvote okanye kuthini but bayagcola ku-social media before ibe kanti bayangena pha bayamodelisha pha. Sharp chomi sathi sajonge loo nto ku-social media kwathini ndikrocwe yenye itshomi yam ithi yayibona le nto ndiyibonayo mindi ndithi ke make yintoni mntase athi uyibona ndithi yintoni athi igama xa ndilijonga nam igama lithi Chidima na but lilapho bantase nguChichi yaqonda ndithi qoma sana asinalo eli gama kaloku apha South Africa bapho ovuyo lwethu yava bapho Tumelo baphi Rhubulang yava abantu esibaziyo Holisani abantu esibaziyo baphi kuthena nto siza banoChidima ngoku iyakrokrisa yava ndithe bantase ndisathi iyakrokrisa kanti ayindimdede okrokrayo apha ekhantrini kukroka wonke umntu kodwa hayi Home Affairs khawukukrobe pha siyakrokra Home Affairs wakroba bantase wakroba wathi Home Affairs hayi nyani ayingowalapha eSouth Africa kwathini hayi ke South Africans bantase zamtsala ngefele lentamo zamjula pha zathi awuzungenela Miss SA ngongose South Africa kaloku ungwaseNigeria ufuna ungenela Miss SA chapchom abakanti yakhiqwa ke kuloo nto ekukhiqiweni kwakhe kuloo nto salandela noHome Affairs sathi Home Affairs ungene njani lo muntu apha ekhantrini and kwenzeka ntoni. Home Affairs wathatha ebeka bantase hayi ungene ngebhoda ethile kwathini ingathi akukho legal kwathini sathi phanda Home Affairs waphanda bantase Home Affairs zabuya ii-files zisithi kwa umama kaChidima bantase uze apha nge-identity theft ube i-identity yomntu izibe kanti uyalibeka apha eSouth Africa kwaChidima lowo uze echichiliza caba andiyazi ebekhwele ibhoti kabani ntonobana awela umlamlambo welwayo xa kuziwa apha nebantase hayi sharp chomi nyani ke icourt zirule into nokubana mchichichi kuzafuneka ke mntase ubuyele eNigeria and asifuni phinda sikubone apha wenza laa nto yenziwe kulo kaMugabe nto nokubana kuzafuneka nto nokubana ukhuhlale 5 years ungazi apha eSouth Africa kwathini nyani bantase yenziwe ke loo nto kuthiwa umchichichi umkile mchichichi ndini nako ebonakala eKapa loo nto banento neKapa ayayithanda ke iMother City kodwa nako eKapa ebonakala umchichichi uyabonakala eKapa athi amapolisa sizamnqakula uthe bantase sathi Nxibi Hills athi amapolisa nakhe bamnqakula bamfaka iboys kwathiwa Bosmo kanene yaseKapa le eke Bosmo wasiwa pha bantase then waphuma ke ngoku I think uphume ngebheli njengoba ngoku umchichichi ebusy ezidefender nto nokubana why kufuneka ehle apha eSouth Africa wabe esithi yena uzama inzame zoba abe legal apha eSouth Africa akho need yale drama siyenzayo yoba sisithi makahambe aye eNigeria njani kodwa yena uzama uba legal yangaske ndimkatse bantase ngesabhokhwe okanye ngemvubu something like bantase sinengxaki ye-entitlement because niyayibona laa nto ibithetha into nokubana yes abantu bangaphandle bayazithatha ii-opportunities zabantu balapha eSouth Africa because if kulaa Miss South Africa ngalaa nyaka ka-2024 kwakufunwa abantu abayi-20 waba kanti uyanyulwa uchichichi lo That means a South African ehleliyo someone omzimba omhle yayingazuyifumana la opportunity yoba engenele. Oqhawe nongubani kana nguhombo kanye nguqhawe lo South Africa. Ngeke bengazange bayifumana la opportunity. If sasifocus ekutheni wonke umuntu makayingenele, wanceda abantu watsalwa ngefelele lentambo kwathiwa phuma wayengayongenela uMiss Nigeria. Kuthiwa wawina mosipha wayapha ku-Miss Universe phaya eNigeria. Azange awine na? Ngathi kuthiwa wawina because ndiyakhumbula kaloku ama-Nigeria ebusy ku-TikTok esithi kwathi nithe makangangenela uMiss South Africa jonga ngokuwina uMiss Universe. Kwathi asinaxesha lakhe sinozozibini wethu. Asinaxesha lakhe mos. Or sinalo ixesha lakhe. Yho abantu it's for me it's the entitlement. Yobana no, I'm going to challenge this in court. Oh, in whose court? In whose court? Piss me off.
Ana batho ba tshwana le botshidima ba ka se tsoga ba bile le mekgwa mo nageng ya rena as long as re sane le batho ba o tshwana le mme o lawyer e tla ke le botšeng taba tša yona e representa Chidima pro bono for free. I get the same lawyer ke advisor ya Minister of Home Affairs Magwala one wo advisor o ko Home Affairs under migration issues, right? So ga re yena o nyoko representa Chidima for free, yena ka mgogo ya ka yena o bone di loopholes tša migration tše le goreng o nagana gore argument ya e tlo thusha Chidima gore Chidima a nne South Africa, gore ba re Chidima ke mo South Africa. La mana lo go le botse ke problem South Africa. It's time la tsba re gone o kra gore batho ba ba funda ke mang ke bo mang the real sponsors behind di lawyer tša mhuto, because ke bona ba enabling mekgwa ya di foreigners mo South Africa ba disturban le mmusho rena o dile le di foreigners. So Chidima no argument ya le lawyer go gore ba re one of the reasons tša gore baska Chidima a dule mo South Africa ebe mo South Africa go gore ba re o bolela fluent South African language. Le na ke ditoro mang ke dinonwane mantse South Africans re butšwa le nna re le swa ke re ka tsamara o bolela language tšela tša bona ba re ke di Igbo what ra ba fluent mara a re ma Nigeria ra re ma Nigeria ngwana a ke re o ile gae a le gae a bolela ka mogoreng she feels Nigerian ke language.
I do feel like I was Nigerian, and I've always felt Nigerian from the moment that I was born. It's not just because of the opportunity that was presented to me, and I think people who have known me will see that I've always embodied that spirit of being a pure, proudly Nigerian woman. So I don't want people to feel like she only feels Nigerian just because, you know, she was offered an opportunity. I've always been proudly Nigerian, and I'll still be proudly Nigerian.
So no change guy. Go change guy Chidima she's an opportunist. Ka no taba ya Miss Universe fedile o nyoko boya ko re nyoko no dia parade mara last place as nyoko parade go no ko Mozambique ke re tsana the option ke ga bo mmage and mmage Chidima South Africa okay cause sila ka ba ka lena a utsitse identity ya another child I fa Chidima le mmage ke batho le re ba swanetse be le re ba tronkong especially mmage Chidima o tshwantse bo tronkong. Chidima o tshwantse be o kae o bušetšwa gae o ba ngwana Nigeria proudly Nigerian as a boletše gala ke West part le taba ya gore mmusho wa rena o discuss case ya Chidima a tsamaye le South Africa ka moka it's wrong. Chidima santse a be detained a dile ko ba re ke ka poleke ya bone a dile ko Lindelani o santse ko Lindelani a emele ba fetše ka yena then ba mo deport a argue her case ko Lindelani because o enterile South Africa illegally. So a ke re tseni o boletše mmaka o tseni through Mozambique a boya mo South Africa because South Africa ne mo benile. Remember after the saga jela ja find out or Chidima ba utswitse identity and stuff, she was blind double America and I mean Nigeria ba dia di hilile ba mo dira Miss Nigeria kae so ga boya a ye kwa ditlala ja Nigeria a draya kae ka Mozambique ga bo mmae ba mo diela di favor ko bordereng. Ko as we speak mmusho wa rena o negotiate le a criminal motho a tseneng ka mo ka botsotsi South Africa.
I guess social media or private investigators. Apparently, this is Chidima and her father in Nigeria. This photo was taken in Nigeria when she was still young. Allegedly, she was not born in South Africa. She was born in Nigeria. Imagine.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Bantu base Cape Town abadlali obayemqosha kuChidima. uChidima uclaima ukuthi yena she's a South African and uyalwa uhambela ama court kokuthi azawine kokuthi yena she's a South African, and people are saying ukuthi girl, go home, go back to Nigeria. Nigeria is your home. Wena namakwakho nima identity thieves ke sana. So people are just calling her out kokuthi Chidima hamba ubuyele ekhaya girl, ayikho nje indzaba yakho, stop lying ulokuthi bita ngokuthi uyi South African. You are not a South African. There's a video, a picture rada le safacile yakhe lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana sesemncane anababa wakhe, le picture lena bayithatha base Nigeria, and people are saying ukuthi hayibo sitheni, this person is a South African and right now ulula kuba yi South African. So bad. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.